Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and updated steps on how to delete a chat on the WhatsApp app when using it on your PC. If you've been looking for a quick way to clear out old conversations, or you just want to tidy up your chat list, this guide will help you get it done. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that your chats are visible on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll see all your recent conversations neatly listed. Next, find the specific chat you want to remove. Take a moment to scroll through the list until you have that conversation in sight. Whether it's a one-to-one chat or a group, the process is exactly the same. Once you've located the chat, simply right-click on it. Doing this will open up a small menu with several options related to that conversation. This is where WhatsApp now gives you quick control over your chats. From the list of options, choose the one that says delete. Selecting this will tell the app that you want to remove that entire conversation from your chat list. It won't just take it off the main screen, it clears the messages from your computer's app view. Now, before deleting, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm the step. This is important in case you clicked delete by accident. A small notification will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the chat. All you need to do here is click on delete once again to confirm, and that's it. The chat will instantly disappear from your WhatsApp app on PC, helping you keep things organized and clutter-free. Just remember, if you delete a chat this way, you won't see those messages again on your computer unless you still have them stored somewhere else or backed up. So now you know how simple it is to remove unwanted conversations with the latest update. Open WhatsApp, find the chat, right-click, choose delete, confirm, and you're done. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give your chat list a refresh today and enjoy a cleaner, more organized WhatsApp on your PC.